Welcome to the Smart Whiteboard App Basics video. To get started, open the Whiteboard app from the home screen. Pick up a pen and start writing. To erase, hold your palm flat to the board and move over the area you want erased. To change the pen color, select the pen icon and choose a new color. To change the pen's thickness, select the pen icon and choose a new width. Again, to erase, hold your palm flat to the board and move over the area you want erased. Another way to erase is with your fist. To add a photo from the web, tap the Insert Media button and search. Click on the image you'd like to add, then tap outside of the search box to see your image. To add a photo from the board, tap the Insert Media button and toggle to Board. You can add a JPEG photo from your Google Drive by clicking on the three lines in the top left-hand corner and switching to Google Drive. This option is only available if you are signed into the board with your Smart ID card. To add a background, tap the More Tools button and choose the Change Background button. To add a measurement tool, tap the More Tools button and choose the Measurement Tools. To remove a tool, choose Delete from the drop-down menu in the top right-hand corner of the tool. To select multiple objects, tap Multi-Select. Tap and drag to select. To create an infinite clone of an image or shape, tap the image, tap the blue drop-down menu arrow, tap Infinite Cloner. To clear the whiteboard, tap More Tools, tap Cleanup. To add a shape, tap More Tools and choose the Shape option. Moving a shape can be tricky. Be sure to tap on the line or edge of the shape to control it. To insert a text box, tap More Tools and then choose the Text option. Radar View on the whiteboard is a navigation feature that provides you a pop-up map of where you are located. To disable Radar View, tap More Tools, then tap Settings and toggle it off. If you'd like to turn it back on, simply toggle it back. To add a graphic organizer or manipulative page, tap Add Page. To delete a page, tap Page Sorter, select a page, then tap the three dots and choose Delete. To lock a whiteboard page in place, tap More Tools, then tap Page Lock.